all doing today? So today I'm back with this earring tutorial, which will go with this emperor glow necklace that I shared on my channel a couple of days back. So if you have not checked out the tutorial for this gorgeous necklace, please go on my description. I have shared the link over there. And today I will be showing you how to bead this matching pair of earrings which will go with this emperor's glow necklace. So let's dive into the material list. Then I'll keep this aside. Okay, so in terms of the material, we will be needing 11 seed beads, 3 rondelles, and some stud hooks. All right, so pick up 4 sets of rondelle and 11 as you can see over here. Okay, rondelle 11, rondelle 11. So pick up 4 sets like that. Pass it down all the way through your thread and tie into a secure loop. Okay, tie a couple of knots so that your loop can be as secure as possible. Okay, so I'm done going around the loop a couple of times, and now I'm cutting my excess thread from the tail part, and I'm coming out of this 11 over here. Now here I have picked up 8 11 and I will passing my needle down into this 11 over here. So I will be skipping the middle rondelle, and I will passing my needle into the 11 over here. So I have to repeat this process 3 more times, and I will see you over here when I reach at the last point. Okay, so repeat this process and I'll see you for the next one. Okay, so here I have picked up my last set of 8 11 and I will be passing my needle into this 11 over here. Okay, so for the next part I have picked up 3 11 1 rondelle and 3 11 Okay, and I'm passing my needle into this 11 and through this rondelle over here. I will pull my thread nice and tight. Okay, and I will pass my needle through this 11 over here as well. Pick up 3 11 and passing my needle through this through this rondelle on the top. I'm pulling my thread, and I have picked up another 3 11 and I will be passing my needle through this 11 and through this rondelle as well, like this. And for the next part we have to embellish our this middle rondelle, as you can see over here. So for that we have to come at the top over here through this 11. So I will pass my needle through this 11 over here, and I'm stepping up through this 3 11 as well. I have picked up 3 11 and I will go around this side. So I will pass my needle through this 11 and I will pull my thread nice and tight. So keep in mind to pull your thread nice and tight for this part. And for the next section, I will pick up 2 11 and I will pass my needle through the next available 11 over here. Pull your thread nice. For the next step, I have picked up 3 11 and I will be passing my needle through this next available 11 over here. And for the last step, here I have picked up 2 11 and I will be passing my needle through this 11 over here. Okay, now go around this all 11 that we have added just one more time. So I will pass my needle through all the 11 just one more time. Okay, so I'm done going around the loop. Now what we have to do is we have to go back at the earring part. So for that we have to step down. So I'm stepping down and I will be passing my needle through this 11 over here, and so this 11 over here and through this rondelle as well, like so. So we have to come back at our earring, and now I have picked up 1 11 and I will pass my needle through this rondelle over here. I have picked up next 11 and I'm passing my needle into this rondelle here. Pick up 1 11 and pass your needle into this next rondelle. Pick up one last and pass your needle. I'm passing my needle through this rondelle and up through this 11 over here. Okay, now here I have picked up 4 11 and I will pass my needle into this 11 over here like this. So repeat this process of adding 4 11 for this one, and this one here, and I'll see you at this step. Okay, so I have picked up my last set of 4 11 and I'm passing my needle through this 11 over here. Pull your thread nice and tight, and now we have to close this netting to secure our this hook, the stud hook. Okay, so for that, step up through this bead, through this 2 11 like this. Okay, so here I have picked up 1 11 and I will pass my needle into this third 11 over here like this. Pull it tight. Pick up 1 11 and pass it into the third 11 over here. Pick up a 11 and pass it into this third one here. Here I have picked up my last 11 and I will be passing into this 11 over here. Okay, So now before tightening this loop, we have to make our way and insert our stud hook in this one, and then tighten your loop by going around the 11 O's. Okay, so once you go around all the 11 O's and secure your stud hook, tie a secure knot, and then cut off the excess thread, and your earring will be ready. I hope you have enjoyed this earring tutorial with me. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.